Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how you can find 1 to 10 trades, 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio trades every day. So these will be like daily trades and they are available every day. So without further ado, let's start explaining how it's done. So first, let's find which indicators do we need and how to use them. So first, we will need to have two charts. One will be the 30 minutes, as you can see here on the left side, and the other one will be the 5 minutes, which is on the right side. On the 30 minutes charts, we will need the Nadaria-Watson envelope. So you go to indicators and then you find Nadaria-Watson envelope by Lux Algo. Okay, so you get this one. Now on the 5-minute chart, we will need to have two indicators. These two indicators are the smart money concept and the SMC best time zone. So let's find them. Smart money concept will be also by Lux Algo, and we will need the SMC best time zones Vino by Sundar TM. Okay, so these are the two indicators that we need to put on the chart. How to set them up? Now for the Nadaria-Watson, we will use just these normal default parameters. I didn't change anything. This is on the 30-minute chart. Now on the 5-minute chart, I have modified that I'm only interested in seeing the change of character. So I don't need to have like all the indicators. I just disabled everything and just left the show internal structure, the bullish and the bearish, and just the change of character. This is the only thing I'm interested in. Okay. So let's now for the SMC best time zone, I will be interested in trading. It will be GMT -4, so it's like New York time, and I'm interested in these three sessions. So it will be from 1 to 4, from 8 to 11, and then from 13 to 15. These are the only time frames I'm interested in. Okay. So let's continue. Now, how do we work with this? We just have to wait until the price on the 30 minutes comes to the lower band in the Nadaria-Watson. Now, once this happens, then we will be looking to look for a buy only. Now the buy only, it should be inside this time zone. So let me just make the colors a little bit stronger so it will be like more clear. So the opacity we can change to 25. This is 25. This is 25. This is 25. So like this, it will be more clear. Okay. So as you can see here, we are only interested in the change of character on the 5 minutes if it happens inside the time zone that we are looking to trade. Now, once this happens, then we will enter at the close of the candle, and our stop loss. Now, in this case here, we have two candles that cause the change of character. Sometimes it's only one candle, but here it's two candles. Now, if it's two candles, like in this case, we will have like the entry at the close of the candle, which caused the change of character. And the stop loss will be the low of the candle before it on the 5 minutes. And we will have our target profit based on the risk to reward ratio of 10 to 1. So this happened here, and this happens all the time. So this is the strategy, guys. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or put any comments in the description below. Bye.